Hey, what's up to the Green Rhino family? Big shouts out to Tommy, man. I actually took the course. As you can see, I basically got everything he suggested. I have a portable extractor. I use Rotovac. I have a 360-hour wand. I also have a Viper 175, so I can do some of my VLM. I'm getting ready to get an Oryx so I can actually do some more jobs then. But everything Tommy actually showed me in his courses, he's very hands-on. So if you're following Tommy on Facebook, if you need any suggestions, write the man. I live all the way in Columbia, South Carolina. This guy, Vision, traveled all the way over here. Like, it's crazy how life works. We make decisions and we don't know how those decisions affect us. As you can see, I actually work a full-time job in the car cleaning, the car business. I'm extremely successful at that, but I want to do something on my own. And Tommy is like, well, man, there's no need for you to book 3 or 4 jobs one day. Well, Tuesdays and Sundays my only days off, so I usually book 3 to 4 jobs Tuesday and Sunday. Like those 2 days I've been working, and I've been extremely successful. The name of my company is called Main Street Carpet Cleaners LLC. This is my logo. I also have a website. That's www.mainstreetcarpetsc.com. And SC is South Carolina. Excuse me, it's South Carolina. But y'all tune in, y'all follow Tommy. Y'all follow me on Instagram, One Main Street Carpet Cleaners, Carpet Cleaner SC. And my name is Chance Mathis. Y'all stay tuned. And Tommy, appreciate everything you showed me. And your course was definitely there, man. And I'm extremely successful. I just wrapped up another job. I got 3 more today.